I'm going to show you how I start the first rounds of the tip holder. Let's start with our knot. And it says chain 20, 1, 2, and I mark the first chain. I can see this is the first one, this is the second one. So from the hook, of course, from the start, this is our first chain. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And now it says from the second chain, from the hook, 1, 2, insert your hook, and it says increase 1 and 2. Here I will mark the first stitch again. Here, this is our 1. This is increase, and then it says single crochet 17. So let's do it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You need to feel the stitches, so it's a bit hard. 10. It's easier if you have a better light. 10, 11. Let's see if we didn't do any increase. And 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. And it says after the 17, single crochet 3 in the last stitch. This is our last stitch that we marked. So here we will do 3 single crochets into this stitch. As you can see, this gives an increase, and then you turn back and continue working on the other side of your make. And here we already did this one, so we will do this one, and let's crochet what's 17. 1. Actually I crochet along this tail too, but now like this, but in the video it's not easy to show, so 1, 2, 3, 4,